Well, back in 1981, I had a dream. I wanted to start my own plumbing, heating, and air conditioning business. From the moment you pick up the phone, you'll notice a dial one difference. With free estimates and flat rate pricing, you'll know the price before the job begins. We promise to arrive on time and complete the work promptly and leave the area spotless. We'll do the job right the first time, guaranteed. So remember, just call Dial 1 Schilling Plumbing, Heating, and Air Conditioning for whatever your need.
Dial 1 Schilling Plumbing, Heating, and Air Conditioning. Call us or visit our website now.